12. It's going to be a tough one. Let's do it together. So they gave us this equation. Let's see what they told us. The redox reaction below describes a chemical process in the lead storage battery. It's a car battery. We're going to say it's acidic. If we're going to say it's acidic, we're going to use hydrogens, H pluses. Let's go and look at the equation they gave us. It's a long one. First thing we want to do is put the charges on everything. I started to out here, put a 0 that, so it's elemental. We know oxygen's got a -2 charge resting. So let's put that on there, -2. There's 2 of them, so this would be a +4. You told me before this is a -2 polyatomic ion. This being a +1 because of that 2 right there. Let's go over here. You told me this is going to be a -2. If this is a negative, this would be a +2. Alright? So this is a -2. This would be a +1 because there's 2 of them. Alright. So our charges are put on there. We're ready to go to our half reaction. Let's start writing them out. Let's just drop this guy down by himself, okay? That's all I care about right now is this guy. And we're just going to talk back and forth until we're fine. So I'm going to drop him down. He's his own line. And let's put the arrow right here, just so we have plenty of space to write, okay? So I got a PV on this side. I probably won't want to make a PV on this side. Let's make our little cheat sheet here. I got a PV equals 1. I should probably want to make a PV over here somewhere. Where are my PVs? I got PVs here. I can only make 1 PV over here from this guy. So if this was 2 here, I can just steal 1. Let's steal 1. Let's steal a PV, but it's attached to an SO4. All right, that's not good. SO4 equals 1. PV equals 1. This PV did not have an SO4 attached to it. I gotta find an SO4 to bring on the table. Does this one have an SO4? No. Does this one have an SO4? Yeah. Actually, it has 2 of them. Do I need 2 of them? No. I just need 1 of them. So let's just take 1 of them. So we're going to say 1 H2SO4. And let's cross that out. Let's cross it out. This is now a 1. That's a 1. We spent them. Okay? Let's look at what we did here. We wanted an SO4. SO4 equals 1. Now we got these H's. H equals 2. Now, what do I want to do? I need to balance it with H's, like we said over here with the acidic environment. Let's go and just put 2 H's over here. Plus 2 H pluses. Awesome. If we're going to say that, let's represent down here. H equals 2. We're balanced in element. I'm cool with that. Let's go ahead and talk about charge now. Let's erase this, and let's talk about charge now. Let's talk about charge now in red. This PV said it has the rest of the charge is 0. Let's put that there. This whole guy is 0. Okay? This whole guy is 0. This guy is a +2. How are you going to make these sides equal each other if you can just add negatives? We can add 2 electrons on this side. I'll make 2 negatives. These cancel. I'm stuck with a 0 versus 0. I'm balanced in charge. Let's go ahead and go to the next reaction, our next half reaction. We talked about this one already. This one's spent. This one's gone. Let's go to this guy. PbSO4. Let's put our arrow here. Let's put it on a cheat sheet. PbSO4. We got 1. We got 1. I want to make a PV out of this. I know this is where my PVs are. Let's just put that right here. We got I'm sorry. This is a PvO2. O2. O2. Sorry. O2. I got a PV over here. Let's represent that. But it's attached to an SO4. Alright, so let's put that here. PV equals 1. SO4 equals 1. Did I ever talk about these waters yet? I haven't. Because I haven't needed to. I haven't needed to use any oxygens yet. I got oxygens down here. I should probably bring these waters down because I need 2 oxygens. I can't just start putting in oxygens. I gotta get them from somewhere. Let's bring these down right here. So let's put it in the equation. Plus 2H2O. So now I have an oxygens. I have 2, but now I have 2 H's. 4 H's, I'm sorry, 4 H's. Yeah. 4 H's. Now I have 4 H's. So let's go back over here. I still have this guy time. I can still spend 1 more of this guy. Let's put him over here. plus H to SO4. So my SO4 equals 1. I have H equals 2. I need my H's to equal. I can just go ahead and put 2 H's over here like this. 2H plus like that. I'm now balanced in element. That becomes 4. I'm balanced in element. Am I balanced in charge? Let's go ahead and put that. Let's put that in red. Get your red pen out. Let's do that. Red pen. So this drops down plus 2. This is nothing. This is nothing. This is nothing. This is nothing. I have a plus 2. I need to go to nothing. I can add 2 electrons on this side. Minus 2. These guys cancel. Do all the work. You won't get lost. You'll feel so confident. Let's do it. So we just finished the balanced half reactions. What do they want from us? Let's read the question again. Write out the balanced oxidation half reaction. Which ones are oxidation half reactions? This went from a 0 to a plus 2 over here. Plus 2. This went from a plus 4 to a plus 2. So I went from a 0 to a plus 2. That'd be my oxidation reaction. I went up. Let's put that here in blue. Oxidation. This is my oxidation equation. That's your answer for number 12. This one went from a plus 4 to a plus 2. This is your reduction reaction. They're asking for that. That's for number 13. This is number 12. That's number 13.